what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe down below and stick around. So today's video is going to be a little different than other videos I usually film on my channel. I'm going to do a kind of unboxing and review on the Herschel Nova Mini backpack, and I'm also going to be comparing it to the Fjallraven Kanken backpack just because I know those are really popular and the Herschel is new to me. I'm not exactly sure when it came out, but I just recently heard about it. And I just want to give you guys an idea of how the two are either similar or different. So I got the Herschel Mini in the mail about 3 days ago. I wanted to open it so bad when I got it, except I wanted to film this video for you guys, so I pulled through and I haven't opened it yet. So this is an unboxing, but it came in a bag, still the same thing. So this is how it looks in the package, in case you guys are wondering. I have never seen it in person. I've only seen it online through the website. That is all I know about the bag besides the description it gave me. I didn't watch any of these videos, even though I really wanted to, but I just wanted to give you guys my full authentic reaction to the bag. Let's just go ahead and open it and see how it looks. As far as I know, the Herschel Nova Mini comes in 35 different colors and patterns, which I think is such a great variety. So first, it came with a free gift, and it's just this little binder pencil pouch. So I think that was really nice to include. Let me just open this up and just show you guys how this looks really quick. I'm not sure if there were other patterns or if this was the only one that they had for their free gift, but it just looks like this. I'm not really sure how to describe this pattern. And then it just has their logo right here on the corner. Really nice. You could even use this as like a makeup pouch if you wanted to. And then it came with this little card. I'm not really sure what it is. So let's see. Oh my gosh, that's so nice. So it came with a little thank you card. That's so cute. The receipt. And then finally, the bag. Oh my gosh. I love this color. Like I said, it came in 35 different colors and patterns, so you know how hard it is to choose out of all of those. I got this blue one, and the shade that it's called is Riverside. Let's just open it up and get a better look. Okay, so my first reaction is that it feels very sturdy, it feels very good quality, and I love the size of this. I feel like it's a little bit smaller than the Kanken Mini, and I think it's just because of the shape of it. The Kanken is shaped more like a square, and this one kind of is more rounded at the top. It has the same kind of handles on the top as the Kanken does, then the Herschel logo right here in the middle above the exterior pocket. From what I've seen in pictures, the style is exactly like their larger bags. Overall, just from the color of it and the size, I love it already so much. On the tag, it just has the name of the backpack and then the dimensions. I remember looking at this online and it said the Riverside only had about 13 or 12 left. So I'm guessing this is a pretty popular color, and I can see why. I feel like this would match with so many things, and it's just a beautiful shade of blue. For the straps, they're a pretty good size, so I can see this being pretty comfortable to wear on your back. And then of course it is adjustable. So far, the only difference from the outside of the Herschel compared to the Kanken is that the Kanken has these little side pockets, which I honestly never end up using. You could probably like throw a pencil or a pen in there, but for the most part, I never really used it on the Kanken, so I don't really care that the Herschel doesn't have any side pockets. So let's start and open the bigger main pocket. Okay, so inside it has their classic red and white striped lined fabric, and I don't see any other pockets inside. Some differences that I can already see from the Herschel and the Kanken are in the main pocket. So the zippers on the Kanken are plastic, and then the opening is a lot more deeper. You guys can see how far down the zippers go. The Kanken does have this right here, and I'm pretty sure this little foam piece is so that it's more comfortable to wear on your back. I can already see that the Kanken is a little bit bigger than the Herschel. On the Herschel, these zippers are just in this gold color. So let's take a look at the smaller exterior pocket. This is just a smaller pocket. You could easily throw like your phone in there or your keys, whatever you need for easier access. It also has a small amount of their signature lining, if you guys can see that. And I'm seriously just obsessed with this shade of blue. It is so pretty. I love how simple it is. You could easily carry this and use it as an everyday purse. So it's adjusted to the smallest adjustment right now. So let me just kind of like throw it on my back and you guys can kind of see it a little. But yeah, that's how it looks like. So looking at the Kanken again, holding them side by side, you guys can easily see that this one is slightly smaller than the Kanken. They both come in so many different colors to choose from, and it's so hard to pick between like over 30 colors. I mean, the Herschel Nova mini backpack retails for $49.99, and I think the Kanken mini retails for $70. So that's a noticeable difference between the two. I think they have very similar features to each other. I'm so excited to start using this. I definitely think I'm gonna be using this a lot. It's gonna be really great just for everyday wear, especially on days that I don't wanna wear a purse. So that was it for my unboxing and review on the Herschel Nova mini backpack. I hope it gave you guys a little bit of an insight between the two bags. I think mini backpacks are just so great and convenient to carry around. But whichever one you guys pick, I'm sure you'll be happy with, because I really love my Kanken one and I know I'm gonna love my Herschel mini as well. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a like down below and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already yet. That was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye guys. Mwah.